An intense and fast-moving winter storm is sweeping through the mid-Atlantic and northeast part of the U.S., bringing over a foot of snow in some areas. And police have been warning motorists that the roads are getting slick and even dangerous. Now, joining us live from the U.S. is Don Orozco. Don, good evening.
Good evening, Alma, and good evening as well to all our televiewers in the Far East. But good morning for those in the Far West. Alam mo naman, we can be seen all over the world with our state-of-the-art live video stream. Sabi nga, just access us on the internet anywhere in the world at www.eaglenews.ph. And by the way, malinaw ang dating dito sa California. Anyways, going back to the news, if it is cold out there in Manila, it is definitely much colder here in the United States. Pero sa laki kasi ng Amerika, the region is divided and categorized into 4 weather regions. Andyan ang Northeast, which is commonly the East Coast, which consists of the Big Apple, New York City. Itong Pennsylvania, ang known city is Philadelphia, Delaware, Virginia, and Maryland. Nandyan ang sentro ng winter storm Janus, and residents of this area will experience heavy snowing from about 3 inches to about 12 inches. These places expects all day of snowing and below zero temperatures. Sa Boston nga, Alma, I declared no classes na because of winter storm Janus.
All right, wow. I can just imagine how cold it is right there right now. Ano? How about the other 3 regions, Don?
As for the other 3 regions, let's talk about the Midwest.
Yes. Don, if I'm not mistaken, dyan ang Midwest, you're saying Chicago, Illinois, Indiana, Detroit, and Michigan, right?
Correct ka dyan, Alma. And add to the list ang Ohio, ang South and North Dakota, Wisconsin, at Minnesota.
Okay.
Most of Alma, and add to the list ang Ohio, ang South and North Dakota, Wisconsin, at Minnesota.
Okay.
Most of our televiewers can relate to the area simply because a lot of them follow the NBA and maybe football too.
So, kumusta naman yan sa Midwest, Don?
Alma, temperatures will remain at single digit. So kanina, below zero, this one is single digit, and the snow level will be just between 1 inch to about 5 inches. Then we have the south. Sa south, you will see double-digit temperatures, but it's still considered cold.
Eh, ano naman lugar naman sa South region? Is Texas a part of the South?
Alma, you really are a former long-time resident of the United States. Until now, you kind of know your geography, huh? And yes, Alma, Texas, Florida, Alabama, Georgia, and the 2 Carolinas. The weather outlook there is twin digits naman, from a low 20 degrees to about 50 degrees.
50 degrees Fahrenheit, then it is about 10 degrees centigrade. Super lamig nga.
Oo nga, talagang super lamig. But finally, dito naman tayo on the West region, which is our region.
Yes, sunny California.
Of course.
Yes.
At correct ka na naman dyan, Miss Hawaii. I called you Miss Hawaii. Alam mo naman, I know for a fact that you resided in Hawaii for quite a bit. Am I correct, Alma?
Hindi naman masyado. Yes, I did, just a bit.
Okay. So, the only thing, Alma, is I haven't been to Hawaii. Yun ang
Okay.
downside. But going back to the weather dito sa California, Montana, Arizona, and Nevada area, it is going to be a low 30 to a high of 70s. Ang sarap, di ba? 70 is like being inside an air-conditioned room.
Yes.
The rest of the region will be dry and warm conditions. To top it all, fire dangers remain high here in California. So you will see, Alma, and to our televiewers, that how it is in terms of U.S. weather condition.
All right, Don, before I let you go, it is almost February, and I know Super Bowl, inaabangan ko rin yan, ano, is coming. Do you have any update?
Well, the update is that the Seattle Seahawks defeated our San Francisco 49ers
Oh, no.
last week. Oo nga. And then, yung Denver Broncos, yan yung kay Peyton Manning na pinakasikat dito sa National Football League.
Yeah.
Defeated itong group ni Tom Brady of New England Patriots. So, on February 2, it will be the Seattle Seahawks versus the Denver Broncos, and the games will be played at MetLife Stadium in New York City. The bonus halftime show, alam mo ba kung ano, Alma?
Ano?
It is our very own Bruno Mars.
All right.
So, yan ang total entertainment package na ipoprovide ng Super Bowl for the February 2 weekend.
Okay.
So, this is yan ang latest update dito sa weather at maybe sa sports. So this is Don reporting live from the Silicon Valley of San Jose, California for Eagle News International Edition.
All right. Thank you, Don. Stay safe.